Good morning, everyone. Merry Christmas. It's approximately 6 o'clock. It's very dark outside. And if you notice, I start this video in my car. I'm going to be driving to today's destination, guys. So we're going to have a cookout. We're going to be cooking a lot of stuff. We're going to be using the grill outside. We're going to be using inside. We're going to be doing some traditional Jamaican stuff. We're going to be mixing up with some unorthodox Asian food. We're going to have fun with this one today, guys. Like I said, make sure that you are subscribed and you stick around so you don't miss these videos. All right, so we're gonna head off right now. All right, so we're gonna start with some jerk pork. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I got some nice ribs going.